today we'll talk about how can you select event preferences on your app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click here on account down here, just click on it. When you just click here on account, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do now, you just go down here, so then you click here on errand here, just click on it. So when you just click here on errand, it's going to take you to this list here. If you want to select points or miles here, then here add airline partner here program or frequent flyer program number here. When you're down, you just click here on save, then it's going to save with you. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.